What's going on, guys? Today I will be teaching you how to make medicated shrimp. Let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is get the shell off of your shrimp so you can start the deveining process. So here I'm just going to take the shell off and then start deveining them.
So what you want to do is take your knife and run it along the back of your shrimp, and then you're going to see a black little line, which is the vein. You just want to kind of scrape it out with your knife, and you just want to keep doing that. And then you want to put your butter in the pan. I don't really measure, but you could put a tablespoon or whatever, and I season my butter before I put my shrimp in there. So while your butter is heating up, you just want to put minced garlic and obey inside the butter, and then throw in your shrimp. So once you start putting your shrimp in, you just want to add a few and just mix it around to get the butter and the garlic and the obey. I also put a little more obey on the top because I just wanted to season my butter just a little bit. Also, you want to have that on a low heat, and I'm going to add just a little bit of butter on top of there and obey just to make sure it's well seasoned. Don't mind my butter, it's a little frozen because I had it in the freezer. So once you have mixed and added your obey, your shrimp should look, and also they should sound like this while they are cooking. You see all that juices and stuff. You just want to keep mixing and making sure the seasoning and the butter has gotten into it. This is the finished product. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel.